live stream at Baldini's in Sparks. Put in $100, doing some slot heavy bets, 750 dime denom. Just landed the bonus. Definitely left for a lefty. Ooh, that could be amazing. Come on. Just need those camels to find their friends and family.
Come on.
Oh, for the love. Oh, there we go, there we go, there we go. Nice. We do have a blocker. We do have a blocker. But that is okay. That's a lot of 5 of a kinds. Unfortunately, we got that bonus blocker. How much do you think it is, honey?
260.
260? I'm gonna say 300. 285. We split. Come on.
No, 300, right?
Oh, 300 down there, down below, yeah. Come on, baby. Bring those camels with no blocks.
Come on. Come on.
Oh my gosh, there they are, there they are, there they went.
Oh.
Okay, that's okay. $315 bonus on a 750 bet. Sahara Gold. Holy to the mofo moly, baby. Next bonus. Getting a little crazy at Baldini's because they had too many blueberry shots on the live stream. 1250 bet. 3 minis. Those are $100 a piece. All right, thought Hubby hit it, babe. Yes, $25 ball. 7 spots, keep bringing them. We're not done. No, no, no. This is a $12.50 bet. Yes, $62 ball. Yes, come on. Keep them coming. We'll take it. Come on. Those 3 minis are a beautiful thing.
All 4 spots, 1 spin. Come on.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, and the music gets very excited.
Come on.
The music gets very excited.
Make it even more exciting. Oh, 1 spin, 2 spots.
Let's find 1. Woo. Hot bonus. Woo. Who would have ever thought that we love the minis?
Nice.
Slot Hubs is happy because we were doing 1250 spins. $525 bonus on a 1250 bet. I'm still thinking Slot Hubby can land his first hand pay, but we'll see. We're probably, are you gonna stick on 1250 a little bit? We'll stay live for a little bit just in case. We're not staying here long.
Samantha Cobb, to the contest please. Samantha Cobb.
Oh, for the love. All right, we will keep going and see how we can do. Go ahead. All right, we'll be back. All right, switched my bet over to nickels, 625, and landed this holy to the moly beautiful screen. Queens all the way to the best symbols all the way. What do you think it's gonna be, Slot Heavy?
200.
We're past that. I think it's closer to 5, to be honest.
700.
It's what? 700. Okay, I think it's gonna be a $500 line hit. Wow. We're gonna ride this one. There is some huge lines in there. Oh my gosh. Okay, past the 5, which is my guess. Wow, this is way bigger than I thought, guys. This is amazing. 625. What a gorgeous line hit on Sahara Gold. All right, switch this over to 2 cents and nom, $5 bets. I think it took 100 to get here, but we've got some good balls on the board. we can do. Yeah. Couple $20 balls up there, $20 mini. All right, keeping us alive. Oh, all right, honey, 6 spots. We need 1. Got it. Nice. Just finished up our live stream at Baldini's. Don't forget to go over to their Players Club and say, hey, Slot Queen sent me, and they have a gift for you. Okay. And stop by the Sahara too, because it's hot, hot, hot. Okay. $5 bet, so $125 is not bad. New ticket, $13.31. So a really thing here at Baldini's in Sparks, right outside of Reno, is if you come upstairs, they have converted one of their old either bingo rooms or conference rooms to extra social distancing slots. So if you're uncomfortable in any way, shape, or form, they have this entire room full of old and new slots that are all very, very distanced apart. So you could come up here, you could practically play by yourself on some of your favorites and not have to worry about social distancing. Uh-oh. And there's Moa. I don't remember. Oh yeah, here we go. Yes, come on, bring on the real blast and the moolah bonus. Yes, okay, 7 friggins, $1.75 bet. And look, we're playing in the socially distanced space I just showed you guys. Because, you know, once I found moolah, I had to play it. I forgot we had the moolah bonus. Come on, cows. Cows to the left. Oh, no, don't be shy. No. Oh. Don't do it, moolah. Come on. Perfect time to drop some cows. Oh, there they are. Alright, do it again. Do it again. Oh, alright. $36. Still a little love from the cows. Alright, some high stakes $5 bet. Shout out to Loyal Royal Kimberly Cummings. This video is for you. $5 bet. We've got 4 minis and a minor. Let's rock the house. Nice. We got a mini party going on. Let's find some big chips. Come on. How about another minor? Uh-oh. 1 chip. All right, Kim, we'll try and get another bonus for you. But I know you wanted to see some high stakes and some big bets. Kim's been a Loyal Royal for 2 years. All right, $125 on a $5 bet. Definitely think we can do better than that. Lightning Link high stakes. $40? on Wayne here at Baldini's. We played it on our live stream that we did here, and it did amazing. So I was just playing it quietly, wasn't really sure what to look for, but wow, started with 700 bucks, doing $3 max bet. Let's keep going. It's got the winning streak feature. There we go. The buffalo coins there are the bonus. Ooh. Come on. Oh. Okay, that was interesting. So here at Baldini's, one thing that we love is they have all these new and old slots. Old slots like this that you cannot find, come on, easily. I've never even seen this one before. So if you like oldies, definitely gonna find them here. Oh, okay. See if we can get another winning streak by 700. Oh, come on. Couple more. Oh, we got it. I didn't even see those guys. Come on. Full screen. Okay, alright, alright. Got it again. Oh my goodness, connect. Oh, okay. This is a cool feature. I really like this. Oh my goodness, come on. Okay, we're still alive here. Okay, a couple more spins. There we go. Oh my gosh, come on. Oh my gosh, do it. Is a full screen possible? 42.50. Wow, could you imagine if that was a high symbol? There we go. Oh, 10 bucks for just those guys. Oh my goodness, do it! Nice! Hope you guys are loving this oldie. Old WMS right here. All right, we're gonna do one last spin and cash out a profit. All right, cashing out $750 from John Wayne.